Welcome to our exploration of behavioral economics, a fascinating field that bridges psychology and economics. It delves into how people make economic decisions, incorporating insights from human behavior that traditional economics often overlooks. Imagine a world where small, seemingly insignificant details profoundly influence our daily choices. That's the realm of behavioral economics, where understanding why people behave the way they do can revolutionize modern economics. This discipline reveals how biases and heuristics can lead to decisions that deviate from the purely rational models of classical economics. By acknowledging these psychological influences, behavioral economics offers powerful tools to improve policymaking, marketing strategies, and even personal finance. As we embark on this journey, we'll unravel key concepts and discover how they shape the economic landscape, illuminating a path towards more informed and effective decision making. Next, we'll dive into a real world example that highlights the impact of cognitive biases on economic choices. Stay tuned as we uncover the subtle yet significant ways our minds steer our economic behavior. Cognitive biases shape our decisions more than we realize, especially in economics. Imagine a consumer making a choice based on brand loyalty rather than product quality or price. This cognitive bias leads to suboptimal decisions. Consider the stock market, where investors often follow the herd, buying high and selling low out of fear or greed. This herd mentality causes market fluctuations and economic instability, driven not by rational analysis, but by cognitive biases. As we move forward, you'll see how these biases affect individuals and entire economies, posing significant challenges. Next, we'll delve into the roots of cognitive biases and how they've been extensively studied in behavioral economics. Stay with us to understand these biases and the solutions proposed to counteract them. Cognitive biases are systematic patterns of deviation from norm or rationality in judgment. They influence the way we perceive information and make decisions. We often unknowingly let these biases affect our reasoning, leading to suboptimal choices. But what exactly are these cognitive biases? Essentially, they are mental shortcuts that can lead to errors in thinking. There are many types of cognitive biases, each impacting our decisions differently. For instance, confirmation bias makes us favor information that confirms our pre existing beliefs, while availability bias skews our judgment based on recent memories or easily recalled information. Understanding these biases is crucial as they pervade every aspect of economic behavior. As we delve deeper, we'll discuss how they manifest in everyday decisions and the broader implications for economic theory. Stay with us as we explore the world of cognitive biases and how recognizing them can lead to better choices. Up next, we'll dive into the pioneering work of Daniel Kahneman, a key figure in this field. Meet Daniel Kahneman, a Nobel laureate whose pioneering work has reshaped our understanding of human decision making. Kahneman has delved deep into the intricacies of cognitive biases, those hidden, often irrational influences that subtly guide our everyday choices. His research reveals how much our economic decisions are swayed by these unseen mental shortcuts. As we explore Kahneman's contributions, we'll uncover the layers of cognitive biases and their profound impact on economic behavior. Get ready to dive into how our minds work and discover the significant implications for behavioral economics. Kahneman's work isn't just academic. It's a window into understanding why we often make less than optimal choices. As we move forward, you'll see how these findings set the stage for innovative solutions in economic decision making that can help mitigate these biases. Cognitive biases can distort our economic decisions in ways we often don't realize, leading us to make choices that aren't always rational or optimal. For instance, confirmation bias makes us seek information that supports our pre existing beliefs, ignoring data that might contradict them. The sunk cost fallacy makes people continue investing in a losing project simply because they've already invested a lot. This bias heavily impacts both personal finance and business strategies, leading to greater losses. Overconfidence bias leads investors to overestimate their knowledge and predictions, often resulting in poor financial decisions and market fluctuations. These biases permeate various economic contexts, from consumer spending to stock market trading, even influencing policy decisions on a larger scale. Understanding these biases is crucial for anyone involved in economics. As we move forward, you'll see how awareness of these biases can empower us to make better economic choices. Next, we'll delve into nudge theory, exploring how subtle changes in environment and policy can help mitigate these cognitive pitfalls. Now, let's delve into nudge theory. This concept suggests that small changes in the environment can significantly influence economic behavior. Originating from the work of Richard Thaler and Cass Sunstein, it challenges traditional economic thinking. Unlike policies that rely on mandates or fiscal incentives, nudges are subtle adjustments that guide people toward more optimal decisions. Consider it a gentle push, not a shove. By strategically altering the context in which decisions are made, nudges can help individuals make choices that improve their welfare and society's overall economic health. As we explore this concept further, we will see how these simple adjustments can counteract cognitive biases and lead to more rational economic outcomes. Stay with us, because up next, we will examine the mechanisms of nudge theory and see examples of its successful applications in the real world. Building on our understanding of nudge theory, let's delve into how it can effectively counteract cognitive biases. These biases often lead to irrational decisions, but nudge theory provides a subtle but potent antidote. The core mechanisms of nudge theory work by adjusting the choice architecture, making it easier for people to make beneficial decisions without restricting their freedom of choice. For instance, placing healthier foods at eye level in supermarkets nudges consumers to make healthier dietary choices. Automatic enrollment in retirement saving plans has significantly increased participation rates by leveraging the status quo bias, where individuals stick with the default option. Another notable example is using social norms to encourage energy conservation. When households are informed of their neighbors' lower energy consumption, they are nudged to reduce their own usage. These examples illustrate how small, thoughtful adjustments can guide individuals toward better decisions, mitigating the effects of biases like inertia and social conformity. As we move forward, you'll see more detailed case studies demonstrating the powerful impact of nudge theory on economic behavior. Let's explore a case study where nudge theory successfully influenced economic behavior. Imagine a city struggling with low savings rates among residents. A simple nudge, like automatically enrolling new employees in a savings program while giving them the option to opt out, significantly increased savings participation. This small change plays on the inertia and default biases common in human behavior, resulting in a more financially secure population. Consider how reformatting utility bills to highlight personal and comparative energy consumption can drive better economic decisions. Residents reduced their energy use. Such interventions show the power of subtle yet impactful nudges. They don't restrict choices, but guide individuals toward more beneficial behaviors. These real-world applications highlight how nudge theory can reshape economic outcomes by addressing cognitive biases. As we move forward, you'll see more examples and expert insights on nudge theory's future potential to address cognitive biases. In this segment, we turn to experts for invaluable insights into the future of nudge theory and its ability to address cognitive biases. These thought leaders explore the evolving landscape of behavioral economics, shedding light on the transformative potential of subtle environmental changes. Through their commentary, we gain a deeper understanding of how small nudges can lead to profound improvements in decision-making processes. Experts emphasize integrating nudge theory into various sectors, from public policy to personal finance. They highlight ongoing research and emerging trends that promise to expand its application, making it a cornerstone in combating cognitive biases. These insights underscore the critical role of continuous innovation and adaptation in the field. As we move forward, these expert perspectives will set the stage for practical applications and real-world examples, solidifying nudge theory's significance in shaping more rational and informed economic behavior. As we wrap up our exploration of behavioral economics, let's revisit the key points. Understanding cognitive biases and nudge theory can significantly enhance how we make economic decisions. From recognizing the subtle ways our judgments are influenced to implementing small tweaks that steer us towards better choices, these insights are powerful tools. Imagine their impact on your personal finances, business strategies, or even public policies. The knowledge and strategies we've discussed are not just theoretical, they hold the potential to transform real world outcomes. Now it's your turn. Apply these concepts in your daily life. Challenge the assumptions you've always held and use nudges to influence positive change. By understanding and mitigating cognitive biases, we can make more rational, informed decisions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of behavioral economics. Together, let's make better choices and influence smarter economic behaviors. And remember, the power to change begins with knowledge. Apply these insights and see the difference they can make.